Why is UCC turned down? Author Akbar. Part 1. Uniform Civil Code is anti-national. Malkani. Do you not think a uniform civil code is needed to nurture a sense of nationalism? Golwalkar. I do not think so. My opinion may surprise you and many, but this is my outlook on this matter, and I must speak out the truth as I see it. Malkani. Do you not agree that uniformity is needed to promote national unity? Golwalkar. Harmony and uniformity are two different things. For harmony, uniformity is not necessary. There have always been limitless diversities in India. Despite this, our nation has remained strong and united since ancient times. For unity, we need harmony, not uniformity. I firmly believe that uniformity is a pointer to the downfall of nations. Nature does not accept uniformity. I am in favor of preserving the diverse ways of life. At the same time, we must ensure that these diversities nurture the unity of a nation. They must not be a hindrance to national unity. Above is a relevant part of the conversation published in the RSS Mouthpiece Organizer, the 23rd of August 1972, held between editor K.R. Malkani and Madhava Sadasiva Golwalkar, one of the most prominent theorists of the Sangh Parivar. Guruji Golwalkar, Collected Works, Volume 9, page 165. Golwalkar's statement, I firmly believe that uniformity is a pointer to the downfall of nations, is particularly noteworthy. It suggests that he was a person who understood that the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code would lead to the downfall of our country. No matter how retrograde one's ideas may be, all those who appreciate our country and its diversity can only concur with this. And this is why all those who love our country oppose the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code. The soul of India is its pluralism we have been following for millennia. If it fails, India will die. The death of secular India that our great national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi endeavored to build. Thus, patriots oppose the Uniform Civil Code, hoping sincerely that this will not happen. The India of my dreams is not an India that allows the growth of one religion alone, whether it be Hindu, Christian or Muslim. Rather, it is one where all its religions work together, side by side with absolute tolerance to one another, is what was written by the father of our nation. Young India, the 22nd of December, 1927. India is a land of diversity, a country where people who believe in different faiths and speak vastly different tongues live together as friends. A land of brotherhood where Hindus, Muslims, Christians and believers of other religions live according to the ideals they believe is correct and allow others the same. This friendship has lasted for a long time. Our forefathers stood together and fought for India while remaining steadfast in their religions and beliefs. Our nation bought its freedom through the blood, sweat and tears of Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and people of all other religions, all alike, who stood by each other against a common enemy. It is why secularism has become one of the pillars of our constitution.